Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Lexus RX 350 maintenance light reset. Now we're going to be using these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, middle for insert, and the back button. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Let me get it a little closer. Give me a second. Okay. Go ahead and press back. Now go ahead and scroll right to go find your page, which is here. Now when you get here, go ahead and find vehicle setting and enter on the vehicle setting. Every time you see this, click back. It'll take you right back to where you were. Okay, enter on vehicle setting, scroll down to maintenance schedule, or schedule maintenance, I'm sorry. Enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on reset, and go back. Now you need to go back and reset the oil maintenance also. Click on that, scroll up to yes, click on yes, and there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.